We are pleased to show you the 2022 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.